Ever felt adventurous with your morning coffee? Buckle up because we're diving into Jacqueline's crazy coffee recipe. So, I decided to try Jacqueline's secret bulletproof coffee recipe. It starts off normal, just water and coffee powder, but then things get a little exotic. Enter coconut oil and ghee. Yep, you heard that right. As I blended it together, the kitchen started smelling like a tropical paradise collided with a dairy farm. The aroma, intense, to say the least, and the taste, let's just say my taste buds went on a roller coaster ride they didn't sign up for. The ghee flavour was so overpowering, I felt like I was drinking melted butter with a hint of coffee. Not exactly the morning boost I had in mind, but hey, life's all about trying new things, right? So if you're feeling brave, give Jacqueline's bulletproof coffee a shot. Just make sure you have a backup plan, like a regular cup of joe. Cheers!